Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we stop talkback. Friends, you want to stop your talkback, so how can you stop in this video friends? I am going to show you friends. So guys, now let's see how to stop talkback mode in our Tecno phone. So first of all guys, what will you have to do to guys stop your talkback? So as you can see your phone setting icon, so guys click on your phone setting icon with double tap. And once you can see this your technophone this type of setting as all settings, so you will have to scroll with your two finger guys. And guys you can see guys this special function tap here, so friends double tap to activate and guys we will stop. Then guys again scroll with your two fingers and guys click on your accessibility. And guys you can see your talkback settings, so guys tap here and guys double tap to stop. Use talkback guys, tap here, double tap. As you can see stop button, so when you want to stop your talkback you can stop from here, double tap and double tap to stop. So a talkback will stop in your Technophone and guys you can use your phone without this talkback setting. So I hope friends you have understood how to stop talkback in our Techno mobile. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, we will meet on next video, bye bye friends.